What's the meaning of breathy? Breathy. Breathy.
Breathy. Breathy. The term breathy is used to describe a vocal quality that sounds like a rush of air passing through the vocal cords as they vibrate. This results in a softer and more hushed tone, with some loss of clarity in the sound. Breathiness can be a desirable characteristic in certain styles of singing or speaking, such as in ballads or intimate performances where a softer and more emotive tone is desired. However, it can also be a sign of vocal strain or poor technique if used excessively. Overall, breathiness adds a sense of vulnerability and emotional depth to a voice, but should be used appropriately and in moderation.